The Honorable or Headmaster, Sri Swami Sagim Pede, our teacher, the parents of the students, and my beloved friend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu. Good morning. Praise to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His blessing upon us that bring us here together in this place and occasion with our farewell. As the student representative, allow me Muhammad Fatimah Kalala to represent all 9 grade students in delivering a few words at this farewell ceremony. To the esteemed teacher, we wish to convey our profound gratitude for all that you do during your time studying at the school. The valuable knowledge and endless advice you have provided us never be forgotten. Thank you for your patience and guidance. Thank you for being our second parent in our second home. Everything you have given us has led us to where we are now. In this opportunity, we also would like to apologize for all the bad behavior that we have done throughout our school year. We were so arrogant, when in fact we were just a bit too still grasping of life. When we were being rebellious, when we knew nothing but complain, when we tried to make an excuse for not doing our homework, you never gave up on us. We are really grateful from our deepest heart. We promise that we will remember all of your advice and we proud on whatever we will do in your future. To beloved parents who accompany us today in this happy day, we would like to thank you for you present in this ceremony and in your life, which we consider a blessing. To have amazing parents is everything we could offer your support, both physically and emotionally, to see us to be better. To my classmates, as 9th grade students, we have been through a lot together. At the end of this journey, I hope that we will all continue to grow and achieve our dreams. Let us make every experience we have in this school a valuable lesson that will help us face future challenges. May we all stay motivated and never give up in pursuing our goals. Remember that success requires hard work, perseverance, and dedication. I believe that with effort and prayer, we will all achieve what we aspire to. Keep working, never stop learning, and always believe yourself best. I wish the best for all of us in the next stage of our education and in every step we take in the future. May success always be with us. I think that's all that I can say is this opportunity. We are here not only because of our effort alone. We are able to stand here with the help of many people who love and genuinely care about us. For that, we thank you.